Food doesn't grow out of the ground and go, hey, I'm a trend. I'm going to be trendy this week. And when I eat this, from that trend, I gain weight. It's actually really stupid. I get asked this all the time. Food trends. What should I eat? Because the new trend tells me to eat this. And when I eat this, from that trend, I gain weight. It's actually really stupid. It's a stupid concept because we get tied up in the trend and tied up in the outcome of a trend, like a 6-week plan or a 12-week plan or the goji berry scene. Not that there's anything wrong with goji berries, but we pick on something, right? And it becomes complicated. It becomes really complicated. And it's actually freaking stupid when you think about it. Because food doesn't grow out of the ground and go, hey, I'm a trend. I'm going to be trendy this week. I'm going to eat this and this is what I'm going to eat and, follow this. That doesn't do that. It grows out of the ground naturally. It's designed to serve us in such a beautiful way. It has this ability to heal the body. It has this ability to make you have so much energy. It has this ability to make you feel abundant. And when you throw in a food trend, which is ridiculous, it just complicates everything and puts us into a really stupid position of stress. And that is just retarded in my opinion. It's like it's insulting to food. It's like it's pointing the finger at nature, which is us, right? It puts you in a place of abundance and it gives you a really good understanding of when food trends come into your world, that it actually really is degrading food. It's putting it down and pointing our finger at it in such a way that is unacceptable. And it's not just disheartening to me, but it really puts people into a fluster of what to do. So on my door out the front, there's like no food trends in here.